Howdy, I'm Wayne from BWC Publishing Channel. In an earlier video we showed you how to build one of these model rockets. In this video we're going to show you how to fly it. We'll show you how to pack the parachute, put the motor in, get it ready to go, set it up, and launch it. So let's go do it. Okay, there's our model rocket. Parachute, everything, wadding, ready to go. Get it all straightened out. Fold up your parachute. Just don't make it real tight where it won't open, okay? Parachute's going to be the thing that saves your rocket. Not real critical how you do it, so I didn't state it. Okay, there's your wadding. That keeps the rocket, when it blasts, from burning your parachute. Push it down in there. When the rocket quits flying, it'll fire through the top and push the wadding and parachute and all out and bring it down. There's our parachute. Let's put it in now. Push it down in there just like that. Now your cords and rubber bands and all that keeps everything together goes in with it. Put your nose cone in right there. There's your parachute. It's ready. Let's put the engine in now. See, the engine's got a little hole in the bottom of it right there. That goes to the bottom. That's where you put your igniter in. Slips right in. That wire goes over it right there to hold it in. There's your igniter right there. Slips in that little hole. Now you got a little plug that comes with it. Just push the plug in that hole with the igniter. That'll hold it in. Oops, fell out. Okay. We'll get it in there in a minute. There's your plug. Hold it in right there. Keep your wires separated so they don't short out when you connect them to your handheld igniter, and you're ready to go. There's your rocket. Here is your handheld ignition switch. There's your safety key. That has to be plugged in order for it to be a good circuit. Right now it's an open circuit. Put our batteries in. Be sure you put them in the right direction. It shows you inside where they go. Positive, negative. Close it down. I'm not going to screw it together right now. We're just going to show you how it works. Right now it's an open circuit. So what we're going to do is connect our two end pieces together. This is what go to your engine right here. It's still an open circuit because your safety key's out. I'll show you what happens when you put the safety key in. See, the light's up. It's ready to go. Turn the light off. There's your light. When you push this launch switch, it goes out. Shows you it launches. Just remember, be sure that safety key is out before you connect it up to your engine, okay? I think we're ready to go outside and maybe do a launch. There's our launch pad pole. See, that thing on top comes off. We're just showing you right now which way the wind's blowing. See those things? They slip right down on that pole. Right like this. Just like that. Keeps it sitting up straight and launching straight up and all. Show you how to hook up your igniter like we put inside the engine, remember? Here's your ignition switch. Remember, that safety key must be out. You don't want that thing taken off while you're sitting there. Take your safety key out. Lay it down. Want to be safe about this. Connect your wires. Now you're ready. You need to tell everybody when you put the safety key in and count down ignition. I think we're ready to fly one. Everybody clear? All right. Safety key is in. Is everybody clear? We'll launch in, let's see, we'll launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. There it goes. Another view of it. We'll try to track it when it pops the parachute out. It's real hard to see, but see it there? Popped the parachute. Unfortunately, the wind got up and it's blowing it all over, way away from me. We may have to go hunt for this one. Gotta watch your wind if it gets too high. Ooh, look at here, it's going over in my neighbor's field. Got hay on the ground right there, you can see it. I'm gonna have to go over there to his pasture. There it is. See it over there? There it is. Parachute, nose cone, everything ready to go. We can fix it up and launch again.